Greetings, I'm Marika Gaballo, second year PhD student in Urban and Regional Development, and will briefly illustrate the topic and progress of my research, which fit within the current debate on the SDGs implementation gaps within the localization processes of 2013 agenda, focusing on SDG 11 on cities, and fitting into the conceptual framework of the departmental project named QUICHE, and focusing on the Italian national contents, consider the trend of the SDG 11 highlighted as priority by the ISTAT, referring to 4 specific target indicators. In general terms, sustainable city achievement cannot be separated from the built environment design, recognized crucial by the United Nations, leading to the need to develop urban sustainability assessment tools such the neighborhood scale and SAT, on which this research focuses on, that assess relevant urban issues, encouraging local planners and decision makers. The data collection process to localize SDGs in cities report gaps in integrating information to local scale, effective coordination mechanisms, as well as the integration of spatial information in terms of resource, cost, and time. The research aimed therefore to develop a critical analysis on the SDG 11 operation, aiming to understand the adequacy and relevant issues in monitoring SDG 11, the potential role of the NSAT in its achievement, and defining a strategy for SDG 11 operation through them. Following a general research questions composing 5 more specific questions articulated through methodology step and related to specific expected outcomes, answered through 3 phases: the theoretical, through a literature review and SDG 11 metadata analysis, identifies issues limiting SDGs operation; the analytical, delving into NSAT in the planning orientation and focusing on the 2 widespread NSAT in Italy; and the empirical, actually in progress, exploring the integration of GIS tools in the NSAT in the pursuit of the SDG 11. The data constructor indicators show general gaps in terms of spatial and update availability, as well as specific to the urban context, requiring the use of data source with a spatial component. SDG 11 metadata analysis showed that these gaps limit the indicator's effectiveness, resulting in a lack of statistical measures. The second literature review framed the NSAT, analyzing the most internationally used, the BRIM and the LEAD, showing similar assessment structure in a hierarchical model, considering urban sustainability issues. In Italy, the 2 widespread NSAT are the Ithaca and GBC, showing similarity in terms of investigated issues with the SDG 11, but not informing on its achievement. The analytical approach shows relationship between their indicator and those of the SDG 11 in terms of phenomena measured, with the majority for the GBC, which will be therefore considered in the next empirical phase, relating to the further development on the exploration of its role in the SDG 11 pursuing through the use of GIS, considering a case study. Thank you for the attention.